So, how to use affirmations properly. It's easy. It's actually the easiest thing ever. Nothing about doing affirmations is hard or ever was supposed to be hard. It's the easiest thing ever because all you have to do is, well, you can start with I am, and you can literally just leave it at that and just say I am, and then just sit with that for a while. See what I am feels like. And then if you want, when you're ready, you can add an extra word. Say you have anxiety issues. Just say, I am confident. Right? So, and it's so easy because all you have to do is say words. And then, you know, you want to, you're hypnotizing yourself basically. But hypnosis is super powerful. Super powerful. So, anything you want, really. I am rich. You don't need money. The point is, you gotta feel rich to be rich. So, I am wealthy, right? I am rich. I am awesome. I am impossible. Because impossible really means I'm possible. So you can just say, I am possible, or I am impossible. Whatever you want to say. It's your domain. And, yeah, so I'll just leave it at that. And yeah, peace out, guys.